Hello everyone, this video is brought to you by Trio Outreach Programs at the University of California, San Diego. My name is Hernandez Hernandez, and this video is part of the Campus Involvement series. In this video, we will learn about how to learn more about student organizations and connect. Some of the ways are by visiting their website and checking out their calendar of events, where they have the dates for the general body meetings, or GBMs for short, and social events. You can also subscribe to the newsletter or send them an email. And be sure to use social media to your advantage, checking out their Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. So we can visit the CSI webpage. If you forgot how to do that, be sure to check out a previous video that we did on navigating the site. So we can check out the National Society of Black Engineers. And what I like to do is simply copy and paste and just add UCSD at the end of it. And here we can see they have a website of their own, which is super helpful. And we can find a lot more information about them, such as their mission statement, more about what they offer, their history, their demographics. And here's what they do. So once again, we have GBMs, or general body meetings, and it looks like they hold 3 to 4 a quarter. They also offer professional development, such as resume workshops, tech talks from different industries, so you can increase your network, and panels. They also have social events, ways you can work with the community by doing outreach, information on their annual outreach event for 4th to 8th graders who are interested in STEM field, called Spark Conference, and a subgroup called Women in NSBE to empower the Black female identifying students in STEM at UCSD. And here they have a calendar of events. At the time of this video, it is summer, so we do not see a lot of activity, but during the school year, we should. And here you have their board members. So these are definitely people that you can contact, some of their advisors. And they have their email, Facebook, and LinkedIn handles. So you can ask them about their experience in NSBE, and they can tell you more about it. And other ways to learn more about it is I simply do NSBE, UCSD, and you could put Twitter, and we can open up their page. So here you can see the Twitter page, or you can look at NSBE Facebook. And as mentioned in a previous video on mentorship and pre-professional, these are national organizations. So for example, right here, we are seeing the national organization, not the one that is UCSD specific. So what you need to add is UCSD. And now we are at the NSBE UCSD page. So here again, they have their mission statement, their email, a little bit about some events. So you can look at previous events that they have held. And this is a way where if you click on an event, and usually if you have an account, it will have the interest option or going option, and it will remind you the day of the event. And they have details, and one thing to hook you in, food will be provided. So this is a helpful way to stay connected and updated. We can also look at their NSBE UCSD Instagram page. So here they have some highlights such as meetings. You can check out their post. See, they also announce when their general body meetings are, and some workshops, social events. So these are just some of the ways that you can stay connected. Make sure to use social media. And this was only an example for NSBE. And of course, if you would like to contact the principal members, they're here, or email them. Thank you for watching this video.